The French alphabet isn't very different than English alphabet. They are the same in writing, but quite different in pronunciation. Let me read the whole alphabet for you. A, B, C, D. Here, as you see, it's a little bit different than English pronunciation, right? In English, we say B, C, D. In French, it's more like B, C, D. Let's continue. E, E. So, to make this sound, we round up our lips. E. And then we have F, G, G, H, H, I, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. These final four letters are pronounced quite different than English. Let's see. W, X. Okay, not X, but X. Like E. Y, Y. Z, Z. Okay, let's repeat. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now we will practice how to spell our name. Je m'appelle Umut. Je m'appelle Umut. U, M, U, T. Now it's your turn. You need to spell your name.